In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize theme and layouts in Google Data Studio. To get started, first log into your account. After that, open the report you want to customize theme and layouts. Then look for three dots in the upper right corner. Click it, then you will see an option that says Customize Theme and Layout. So click it. Once you opened the Theme and Layout section, you can choose from different pre-made themes. However, if you want to create your own custom look, you can select a theme and then click on Customize. Once you're in the Customize menu, you can adjust the background color to your preference. You can also modify the component color, and all the changes will be applied simultaneously across your report. For example, you can change font family, font color, chart title color. Also, you can enable border shadow, change the text color to red, or adjust the title style. You'll also find options for link style, text box style, and other design elements that you can tweak. These customizations will apply to the entire theme, as long as individual elements haven't been manually overridden with their own specific styles. You can also create and save your own custom theme. That's how you customize themes inside Google Data Studio. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.